Wrapping up on the cabinet here, you can see I'm looking at that Purfling material again. This is the original material, very brittle, as you can see, and well past its life. So I started looking at some other material and found a note on the antique radio forum. Somebody had mentioned a lacing material possible as a solution, so I picked up some. This is going to end up in my wife's craft box, so I elected not to use it. It's just a little wider than I needed, and it's so thin, so I'm not really sure it's going to last. So I elected not to use that, and just back to my original plan. And you can see here I just elected to stay with the Timbermate wood filler. It's a water-based solution and my original marker. The maple veneer that I replaced here on the top rear, the radio, is just a little plain in nature, and here I'm just taking a piece of steel wool and applying some toner lacquer back to that area just to make it better match the original cabinet here. And here's a look back as I got all the wood filler in all of the grooves, and I've applied the marker here in the back channel. And that leaves the remaining 3 grooves there to highlight after the water-based filler sets up for an additional maybe 30 minutes or so. And here you can see where I took the highlighter, just went back over the area that I filled, then I'm just taking some 4/0 steel wool, cleaning up the area on the cabinet around that. A good coat of lacquer here on the cabinet just protects the original toner itself. And I'll look at the cabinet now complete, less the back itself. It still needs some work. I've still got to put more of an authentic power cord on as well. And just a few other details, but we're just about complete with this. We'll wrap up the video here and listen to Roger Wolfe Kahn and his orchestra, A Shine on Your Shoes. Thanks for watching, folks.